So hello everyone, in this video we'll be understanding pseudo classes in CSS. So basically pseudo classes are the states on a particular element that we want to access and we want a different style on that state. So what are that actually? Let's understand it by giving or creating a link tag that you know already, right? So let me just give any link here. Uh, let's say www.google.com. If I add it and let's say target blank, and if I add here Google, now I can style this a tag by giving it a background color. Let's see what happens without any styling. You can see this Google is there. Now if I want to style this, so what I can do is I can directly target this a tag and I can give it a background color. Let's say background color indigo, text color or the color property to be white, padding 10 pixel, 20 pixel, 10 pixel top bottom and 20 pixel left and right. And we can also give some text decoration none. It is used to remove the underline which is coming. If I do that, so you can see the this looks fine. I can change the size to 20 pixel. I can add a font family, whatever we have captured from the Google fonts earlier. I can copy the same thing and add it here. Let's say I styled it like this. So basically this is the button. It is looking like a button. And if you click on that, we can go to the Google website, right? So this is the case. But what I want is I want a different styling when my mouse is coming over this element. So what can I do? So basically we have four states of a link. We can access the four state of a link, and those states are called pseudo classes. We can access those states by using pseudo classes. The pseudo classes are look like this. So we can access the a colon link. This colon means we are using the pseudo class. Single colon means pseudo classes, and double colon means pseudo elements. We'll be understanding what are pseudo elements in the next chapter. So a colon link means when the link is not actually clicked, or when the link is just a normal link. So how should we give the styling? So I want a background color, let's say red, when the link is just initially shown to the user. So how should it be? So actually it is not applying because I have already clicked on this element. So that's why I can use different element, which is a different pseudo class. I can use hover pseudo class, which applies the color when the mouse is over this a tag or over this link. I can change the color to, let's say, blue or blue violet, let's say. So if I hover the mouse, you can see the color is different now when I'm hovering over that element. So this is actually the case. Then we also have a colon visited. If the link is visited or somebody has clicked on that link, then what color should we show, or what styling should we show to this a tag? So at that time we'll be using let's say this color, this one. So you can see that it is now taking up that color because I have already clicked on this link, but on hover it is showing the different color. And at the last we have this a colon active. This works when somebody clicks on that link and holds the mouse for let me just give this color, background color to, let's say, brown. If I do this now, so now if I hover over that, so hover color is active, visited color is now active. But if I click on that element and I'm not removing or releasing the mouse without holding, so I'm holding the mouse, then you can see the brown color is there, and now I can go to that page and then the same button is there. So we have these four states, we have different states on in here. So this is basically the pseudo classes that we do use in A tags. We can also use them in different elements, such as we can use it on a normal div tag as well. So let's say I have this box, and box is the class, and this box is having a background color. Not all the pseudo classes can be applied to an element, but most of them can be used. Just like hover we can use, active can be used on uh, an input tag or input element. Let me just give it a background color of, let's say, red, width 100 pixel, height 100 pixel, color red or white, that will be good. You can see this is the box. You can also increase the padding and margin. You can see that this is here. But if I want to have an hover effect, what can I do is I can simply use this box class. Dot is not there. I can simply use this hover pseudo class, and then I can specify the background color or whatever the styling I want to specify. So let's say I want a style width to be increased by 200 pixel, and the background color should be, let's say, blue violet. So I can do any styling here. You can see on hover it is changing the background color and the width. So this is how we can use pseudo classes on a tag as well as on different elements as well. So it is very necessary you use them most of the time when we build bigger websites. So this is handy, so you can use that. So this is it for this video. I hope you got something. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the another one.